Okay, well that didn't work. I tried to adjust my camera, but hopefully this works. This is my first time doing something on a bigger scale because usually I'm used to videoing like cards, which are a lot smaller. So anyways, I picked her up this blanket also from Amazon. And then this was super duper cute because she's going to turn, let's see, she's going to turn 20 years old. And I thought this was really cute, the Hey Girl. It reminded me of that one, oh my God, what's that one star? The little Hey Girl memes. I can't think of, I think it's Ryan Gosling, if I'm not mistaken. It just totally reminded me of him. And this is little, it says it's, hey girl, it's bedtime. Sleep and dream for tomorrow. It's called Tangerine Dream. It's a sleep and calming blend. It's a natural herbal tea, which I love. And I believe there's, let's see, there's 18 little individual tea bags in there. Picked that up for her. And then I picked up, which I use and I love it, the little sleep mask. I took it out of the bag it was in because I wanted it to, because the bag it came in was kind of funky looking. And it comes with the little earplugs, but I'm going to kind of like hide the earplugs because they're a little bright and I kind of want the, I don't want to ruin the coloring. Well, it's going to kind of get messed up because I am using the little different color sprays in here, but that's okay. So I thought this would be really cute. And then we have the pillow spray in there and the sleep serum. And then I'm also going to include one more item, which is actually pretty good. I use this, like I said, I was having like a hard time sleeping. So basically this is called Lemon Balm. It's by Vimergy. And you just take like one dropper full. You could take one or two, but I just do one. You have to take it like on an empty tummy. And it helps for like, it helps for a lot of stuff. It helps for trouble sleeping, anxiousness, nervous stomach, sensitive stomach, like a lot of stuff. It actually helps for fevers as well. But I figured since, like I said, she said she's having a really hard time sleeping, so why not give her all the tools to help her out there. And I thought this was perfect to add in here because it's green. Like I said, it's her favorite color. And then what I'm going to do, so this is basically complete. This is going to be her actual gift basket. And as a joke, you're not going to be able to see it, but when she takes out, underneath there, I'm going to put a banana in there because she actually, I always call her a little smart butt because every time she comes to the games because she's dating one of Anthony's teammates on the team, and she always says, "Oh, do you have a snack, Auntie?" And I says, "Oh," she's like, "Oh, what is it, a banana?" Because she's so anti-banana, is anti-fruit. So I'm gonna sneak a little banana in there for her just as a little joke, and I think that'll be super cute. That'll be funny. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wrap it up for you as soon as that cellophane comes in. So this way you can see the final product, exactly what the entire thing looks like all put together. Okay, everybody, this was super fun, and if this video was too long, I apologize because I'm going to be working on that. This is something all new for me. I wanted to incorporate something different on my blog because, you know me, I get bored of doing the same thing. And I've been doing all of this stuff forever, and I wanted to share, you know what I'm saying? So I will have links to everything. The only thing I did not get from Amazon, oh, they might have this now, but I got this from another company called Vimergy, and it's $8, but totally worth it. I love it. So I'll link that and everything else that I used in today's video. That is it, everybody. Thanks so much for tuning in, and hopefully I will definitely, like I said, this is going to be airing on a Monday this time around, but I will have them mainly on Fridays. Except for the third Friday of each month. Okay, everybody? So that is it. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you all back here soon. Bye-bye.